But
I have taken request library, I have taken JSON, imported JSON. So I have taken ABC for to create the meta class. The sample as a dictionary I have taken codes, different response codes from the request library.
Regress sorting is working or
It
something
is
working?
a request, it is a the sample API they have
No,
given.
no, that is right, but it means it is online. It is
It is
there.
online.
You have checked.
Yeah, it is online.
Okay, okay.
I have created one base class. I am naming it as singleton because I would like to make my program as a singleton pattern. If anybody creates his own object also it will refer the means for
this
this
is
class we
demo
will
or
have
what?
only single object at any time. So I have taken like this. Means I have overridden this call method. This one. So this is the base singleton and this is the sub HTTP client I have designed. So here I am having one method called doGet. So here I'm getting the response, but in the response I'm having objects like images are there. So what to do with images I don't know how to test with them. How to see I will show the result. This is the response we are getting from the API. So there are in that get method by using get method we are getting the response 12 members. There are 12 members. One is a George Bluth, Janet Weaver, and Emma Wong. This is the data passed
Yes,
data.
carry on. Just you do it.
This class or what I'm talking?
This is the image. This is the image is some IP address is there.
Yeah, yeah, it is. The image is getting from this. I'm
But
S3
how to
engine.
pass that image? By using which net whether to go for bytes or byte array, I didn't understand. How to test that?
No, no, but you have created only a means like request response, but you have not created a test scenario.
That is the next you can do. But I was stuck here. Na? So see, suppose here we are going for George Bluth.
George Bluth. You see, George, yeah, George Bluth is getting from this here. Okay, Janet Weaver is getting from this.
Yeah, this is a,
Emma
this is
Wong
the
is
image
getting
related
from
to
the.
Janet Weaver.
Yes, yes, yeah.
But how to check the particular location JPEG in test case? How to do test images?
No, no, no.
It is not necessary to test image.
No, no, it is necessary now that the main objective is test the photo. The photo is belong to this, like George Bluth or not. This photo belong to George Bluth or not. So the input is not been given anywhere. So first need to see the input. Like there will be in client software. Client software. In client software, some input will be given. Test George. This is the image of George.
Just in case you respond, you are understanding that. This is the API. So it is having the different methods like get list users. So we are seeing see ID 4, first name is equal to you, and last name is equal to hold, and this is avatar is the image. So I have parser data ID 4 and I have parser like first name plus last name equal to name, and I have parser this image.
Yeah.
I got to see here total 12 members. So I have got 12 members data, but I was checking it image first.
No, no, you are not checking anywhere. It's working fine. But where is testing scenario?
Yeah, testing I will develop, but the thing is, see, we are having different gets. We are having here different get methods.
Yeah, that is right.
So how for how many gets you want to develop the request and response?
No, either you are not telling me everything. Either you want to break in phases. What I mean, you see, you go to that photo. No, no, this, I have this another place. This is now this George Blue. How you know George Blue? You have ID or photo?
No, see here also the face, the link whichever they are giving, it is not the Jat group. Some picture is there. It's like that only.
Ah,
It's not
that
like
is
that.
that is only I am saying that. No, no, this is actually
Yeah,
no.
this is
Wait a
the
minute,
this is the
wait a
picture.
minute. This is already online. S3 means it's a server of serverless engine of Amazon. S3 means S3 means it's actually a server database. Serverless engine. Serverless engine means it performs client server database all three in one. So this picture is located there. Okay. Now, first we need to prepare one scenario of George Bush, putting the photo. Then it must work. You are directly creating George Bush, and it is working fine. This is working fine.
Yeah, it's working fine.
But where is the scenario? Like testing scenario.
Yeah,
It's
before
directly working only. It's directly means getting posted, getting photo. What I mean, it is directly getting photo. We are getting photo directly. First, there must be this photo belong to George or not. This photo belong to George or not. Okay, let's go to that your.
see the technical requirement is must be acceptable methods for all the different demo methods, endpoints, get post method, etc. So we are having different methods here. See, we are having.
No, no, your code is already working. Wait a minute, come here. What I'm saying. Wait a minute. Come in. Come in. You see now.
See here, they ask you to develop endpoints, get to post method,
Wait,
etc.
wait, 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 wait. It's already working. Hold this, hold this. Not fall down, hold this.
Hmm.
What is their environment? What they are using? They are using Amazon. Means their environment is on Amazon or they have given any specific.
No, this is a free version.
No, no, no.
This is a request is a.
No, no, what is their environment?
They don't give their environment because
No, they are. You must ask them. The code must be delivered in source form, and we must be possible to run in our environment. Means they have their specific
yeah,
environment.
whatever may be their environment, because Python is a platform independent. We don't bother using it. So it's not necessary to bother about the environment.
But you need to put one question to them. No, not necessary to bother that your point is correct. But as they have specified one line for this one environment line, there are actually
See,
there
yeah,
are see lot of stacks are there. Which stack they are using, you need to know. You must. What is the last date for filling this, giving this?
today it's it's 10 o'clock.
But why you asking the last date? It will get over in the last date.
No, like no, they actually want to work in their environment. So that's why they one line especially they have written. Let comes there. No, they have what they have told you already done it. But now you need to do some extra from your side. Whatever they have told now, you already done it. But here testing is not coming. So you need to create testing now.
Yeah, testing.
So if
testing.
you-
Testing. I will create. That is a assessment we have to do. I will do the assessment.
No, already you done it, all the things. What they require now, you done it. But one line as they have written, they purposely they have written that line for test the intelligence of the candidate.
See, I will write it on the board what I understood.
Don't write on board. I got it. You see, here. I'm already 20 years in
Yes,
quality. If
yeah.
you put my name, you will get it, Masuda.
Right.
Yeah. So I already know. I got it. That you already done it, but now I think now you must submit it now. And but that will take time. To require to create testing environment, it will take
Oh,
time.
matlab that software like who just say na he used all, but he need to create new software in
No,
own.
no, they put one line purposely to test the intelligence of the candidate.
What?
They put it in come here. You just check email one more time. You get it. You see the technical requirement are as follows. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 technical requirement they have. Okay. You see, this REST interface JSON is not a technical requirement. It's already inbuilt. Okay, leave this one. So it must be possible to use the code on both Windows and Linux platform.
This as it is
Okay.
platform independent.
So this is already platform independent, so don't need to worry. Leave this line. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 line. The code must be delivered in source form. That source form is already there with you. And we must be possible and ask this question: what environment you are running now? Okay, the code must be written in Python. You already done it. The code must be contain access method. It's
If they
all-
ask to develop me in 2.7.x, means they want to second version only. If they
2.7.x means 3. That means. So which version is this?
I'm using third version, but they specifically
No. Wait a minute. The meaning of X means above. The meaning of this in industry, whenever we use this, it means that don't use 2.6. Don't use below. Use above.
2.7.
And above. Above.
2 by
Exactly.
10 na, 2 by 10
So you
na.
already done it. Now there is one point is missing now. You must submit the code and ask this question. Sir, which environment you are running? I have created as
So why you
Wait a
not
minute.
bother about the environment?
No, not like that. Don't say that.
Because see,
Wait a minute. They have written line purposely. You see, they are not police to write line. So we must take care of that. Already we have source form. Now you deliver this mail with source form and put one line like as a request. Sir, as a request on line number 1, 2, 3, 4, you have mentioned that we must be possible to run in your environment. So can I know your environment so I can develop it? You write on this. Do it fast as well.
No, now they won't respond. They won't be. See, sir, what I'm
It's not a response. You see, you have not attended hackathon. Okay, we both attended a lot of hackathon. This is one sort of hackathon. Hackathon means what nowadays they want real-time person who can interact with their problems. So what they do, they leave one gap in between. They what they do, they leave gap to make you check your intelligence. They have done like that. So don't worry, everything is on God. Don't be so serious. Now the form which I have already prepared, submit it. With that you write this line, sir. You have mentioned on line number 4 that it must run on your environment. So can I please to know that what is your in which exact environment you want it? This is general environment. This is what general environment. It can run anywhere. But exactly what you want, you tell me. I will do it. In this way you send it.
So how to test the show means test the image.
No, there is no testing now. There is no testing environment. To create a testing environment, again it will take 2-3 days. like API. In API means what? Everything. Go here, beta. You see, the word API is very small, very, very small, but it has a lot of integration. Like this is suppose E1, this is E2, this is E3, this is E4, and this is all in cloud. This is not in same computer or same network computer, not like that. It is an another network computer. Hmm? It is in another location, another computer. Here,
So a application will have only single API or how many APIs?
you already created this and this. You already created as per the interview requirement. You created, so there is no problem at all.
Yeah.
Okay, into requirement. But additional, if you could have done it, that will be a better. First, we need to put this photo. We need to create a form. In form, we need to put a photo. This image of what's the name of person?
Like George.
George. George. Then this photo will go to S3.
No, here,
S3.Amazon.
yeah, here they asked to test the photo. Just they asked to get the data and test the data.
What they ask, you done it.
No.
They ask get and post.
Post I didn't develop.
No, no. Wait a minute. You are confusing yourself. Don't go beyond the confusion. Whatever they have written, beyond that. They have written that you develop a get and post. Means this word get and post we usually use both at the same time only. We usually both at the same time. Means it's like a terminology. It's like a terminology. It's not a command. It's a terminology for request and response. What is? It's a terminology for request and response. Get and post is a technical terminology for request. Request means get, post means response, like that it is. So, the E3, E4 you already done it. E1, E2 you have not done it. So, and they have not asked also. So, as soon as you send the mail right now.
No, it's at 10 o'clock you have to send. Because
I know, Baba.
no, they have given a particular time.
Before 10 they have to. Hey, Baba, it's a competition. You are not one person. You are confusing yourself.
Oh, you're saying like a 30 or that
It's
competition?
what they have done, they have made a competition.
Are you need to send this time only the
Ah,
email?
This whoever
This
sent for first,
competition.
it's like they have not given this problem for you. They have given for everybody who has come to interview.
Agar you solve this
You are
problem.
thinking that this problem is given for you only.
No. They have given to multiple persons.
That's only. So it's a competition. So whoever will be first here, they will call him and talk to him.
Because she's a
Now it's up to you. It's my request.
HR has called me.
Whatever may be, it's up to you. Yeah,